Release the Craftin, Priscilla here with a quickie little share for you guys today. So what I have got are a couple of new things in my Etsy store and a little flip through to go through as well. Let's just get down to business. Well, technically it's all business. Let's do these first though. We'll do that little flip through last. So, as you may have noticed, I have a brand new kit in my shop. This is called the Parish After Dark. Thank you, April, for helping me come up with that name. It is a Victorian Gothic sort of monochromatic, but a little bit off monochromatic inspired kit. It's really fun, just in time for Halloween or any spooky goth season. It's not particularly Halloween related, but I am in love with this kit, and I feel like you guys are probably eventually going to get tired of me being like, this kit is my absolute favorite kit. But again, this kit is my absolute favorite kit. And it is another deluxe kit. So this kit comes with 9 regular pages, 3 blank pages, the journaling cards, as well as 2 sheets of tags, embellishments, pockets, envelopes, whatnots. And so that is up in my store, and as usual, whenever I drop a new kit, I will put stuff on sale. But since it's the month of October, and I'm feeling particularly spooky, I'm just going to put my whole shop on sale, because I think that'll be fun. So for the rest of the month, everything will be on sale. And so if you haven't picked up a kit already, this is the month to do so. So let's just get flipping through. So I love this kit, and it's super spooky and really cool looking, and I really love the color palette and how glue just mysteriously throws itself into the frame. So I had a lot of fun with this one. Went with some like real nice florals and some spooky bits. I think this one will be really fun. I was kind of in the mood for something a little more gothic. I've been doing a lot of witchy stuff lately, so this was fun to get my hands on. I need to come up with a better way to flip these. And then I usually double down, so here are the blank pages. I think this one is my favorite. A spooky bat skeleton. And then the third blank page. I really love how this like spider web comes out. Super cool. And then, as per usual, some journaling cards. You guys can get a good look at that. And then, as promised, 2 sheets of tags and envelopes. And I tried out my hand at like making some pockets this time, which I thought was fun. And then the kit also comes with the blank backs for all of these tags and envelopes and stuff, so you can make your own or add your own embellishments as you see fit. And then this isn't a kit per se, but a single digital sheet called Wonderland Apothecary, and I made some apothecary labels, picking up on some of the more maddening things about Alice in Wonderland, which I thought was fun, and I think this is a perfect time of year to release some creepy apothecary labels with one of my favorite themes. So those are in my store, as well as I have managed to figure out how to make traveler's notebook kits, haha, which is a personal achievement of mine, and I'm very excited for it. And I was feeling a little bit spoopy, and I don't know if you guys know what spoopy is, but spoopy is like the safe version of spooky. So as like those ones were spooky, this is a little spoopy, and it's a little silly, and it's fun, and it's called Tricks and Treats. So I thought I would put it together into a real quick traveler's notebook, just to kind of make sure that like all the pages worked out. And then when I realized that they did, I was super stoked, so I went like all into it and made a full book. And so this comes out as a standard size traveler's notebook. The kit comes with 8 pages and then a sheet of tags, so it's a little mini kit, a little bit cheaper than my regular kits, just because there wasn't a lot to it, plus the designs and stuff were really basic because I just wanted to keep it fun and spooky, or spoopy. And let me know in the comments below, do you prefer your Halloween to be spooky, or do you like spoopy Halloweens? Because, you know, everyone likes a little something different. I like both. I actually really enjoy things that are spoopy, but in my heart of hearts, I am definitely a spooky girl. So, what do we got here? We got some silly looking monster dudes. This is in the kit, so is this cover page. And then there's just some like journaling paper, some book page that I thought went well with this. The dyed paper is from an Etsy store that I have completely forgot, and now I feel horrible. I will link it in the description box below. She has really cool dyed papers, and I will probably add in some words here with the actual name of the Etsy store because I'm a horrible person with a goldfish memory, apparently. And so I made these little spiderweb cutouts that I got in Happy Mail into little tabs. And see, like, this is so cool. It has, like, purple on the orange, which I thought was really neat. And this is some fabric that I got from April. And so I added a little sticker to it and a little foam tab. And then I used some of last year's Halloween paper from Recollections to make some tags and then to add some more body to the kit. Because like I said, it's only 8 pages and I printed them front and back to make sure that they would print front and back. And they do. So there was only like 4 pages to work with. So I added some extra Halloween stuff. So it's just a big giant tag here. And then like the cool thing, and this is a tag from the kit, about these tags is that they actually poke over the top. And I should have shown you guys that first. But it says trick or treat and then a jack-o'-lantern boo crew, which I thought was cool. And I put a lot of like extra little dudes hanging out the side. So, did some stamping. And this is just some cutoffs from those dyed papers. Another page from the kit. And then I inked all this up with, of course, carved pumpkin Distress Oxide. And added some of this like kitten and candy store thing for some trick-or-treating. Used some of that fabric from April to make a little baddie tab. Oh my gosh. There's never going to be a video where I can't like perfectly say words. Like, it's never going to happen. A couple tags. This one from the kit. This is a little piece of that Tim Holtz Halloween ephemera. And then this is the black that she has in her shop, where she had, because they're just limited edition like runs. So she has like different colors, and then she like cycles those through. So you just have to watch her shop. So I thought that was a pretty cool color. And then this is like a scarf, which I believe was also from April. And in case you were wondering, I cleaned up my craft room and found a bunch of Happy Mails that I didn't put away where they go. So that's why this book is all from April. And this is a page from the kit. On the back side of that, little kitty cat. The other side of that book paper. Little scrap piece. This green is so pretty. Then another little spiderweb tab, and I added a little foam pumpkin to that, and then did some stamping down here. Another page from the kit. I really love this recollection paper. I thought it really went well with the kit. Little voodoo doll guy. Cute. And then this little tuck spot here with a little Hermelinda style tag. And then this is a full page from the kit and a little more of that journaling paper. And then I locked this little guy down. It is one of the tag sets in the kit, and this was just an idea that I had. You can cut these apart if you prefer, but I thought it made a cute little flip out, and then you could like journal on this side. So I just used a little tiny paper clip to set that in place, and then this just tucks in there. And there's the back side of that. And then I found some of this scrap paper in my stash, and I had a little foam skeleton and one of the little cutouts from the kit, as well as a little tiny tag. And the other side of that jack-o'-lantern boo crew giant tag. I'm going to do some more stamping. Look at this angry cat. And then there's some more of that great dyed paper. I want to say it's JTE Creative. That's really going to bug me. It's going to bug me till I edit, and then it's going to bug me again that I said it way after I said I would put the name in. Another page from the kit. Little spooky ghost coming out of that. Little kitty cat. A little ghosty tab. Then up here is a little corner flip. With this little zombie dude. I just tucked him up in there. And then I did some stenciling, some stamping. There's pickles on the other side of that candy store page. Everyone loves a good Halloween pickle, right? And then here's another page from the kit with a little foam kitty cat tab. Back side of that. And then I did some layering stamping here. Layering by doing 2 stamps in 2 different colors. And then there is a little library card style pocket. Added some more of that little green stuff. I don't know what this kind of trim is called. If you know what this kind of trim is called, let me know, because I'd like to find it and buy more, but I don't know what it's called. And I added a little foam sticker here, and a little sticker that says Ghouls, Ghosts, and Goblins. And then the last 2 tags in the kit. And I really like this kit. It was really simple, and I was just trying something out to see if it would work. But I like, you know, like the plain style of it, and the like how flat it looks. Kind of really appeals to me. Probably to like the 6-year-old child in me who gets really excited for Halloween. And there's the back of that page. Some more book paper, a little notepad, a little spooky house, a little raven on there. And then this little guy who, like, I can't figure out if he's got like, this is his face and these are horns, or if his arms are up in the air like he's this excited about Halloween, because if so, same. So I'm going to stick with that rendition because I think it's really cute. And that's it. That's the whole little Traveler's Notebook. So this will also be up in my store and be included in my October sale. So if you guys wanted to get yourself a little book just in time for Halloween to record your Halloween memories, you can check it out down below. And I will link all the stuff that I have mentioned, plus my store, in the description box. So check that out. As always, you guys, I appreciate your faces. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!